Welcome all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. I am Shagun Tiwari. Today we'll start with the software engineering subject and for semester 4 SYBSc CS. So topic name is Introduction to Software Engineering. So first of all we'll understand what is software. So software is nothing but a set of instructions which to acquire the input and to manipulate them to produce the desired output in the terms of the functions and the performance as determined by the user of the software. It also includes a set of documents such as software manual meant for the user understand the system. It will give the detailed descriptions about the software. So next is description of software. So software describe the capabilities and the capabilities related with the function it executes, the features it provides and the facilities it actually offers. Okay, for example, software written for means any software which is written for the sales order processing, it would have different functions to process different types of sales order from the different market segments. So the features, for example, would be to handle the multi-currency computing, updating product sales taxes status, and the facilities could be printing the sales orders, emails to customer and report to the store department to dispatch the goods. So from their class software are categorized into different types of classes as per its requirements. So there are generic software and the customized software. So generic software is designed for the broad customer market whose requirements are very common, fairly stable and well understood by the software engineer, and customized is developed for the customer where the domain, environment and the requirements are being unique to the customer and cannot be satisfied by the generic products. So what is the quality of the good software? So a good software has the number of attributes which decides whether it is good or the bad. So the definition of the good software changes with the persons who evaluates it. So the software is required by the customer, used by the end user for an organization and developed by the software engineer. So each one will evaluate the different attributes differently in order to decide whether the software is good or bad. So the main attributes for the good software, it can be maintainability, means the software must evolve to meet the changing needs, and dependability means the software must be trustworthy, and efficiency, so the software should not make the wasteful use of the system resources. And the next one is the usability. So the software must be usable by the user for which it is designed. Okay, so the main characteristics for the software will be the software has a dual role. It is a product but also a vehicle for delivering the a software product. So the software is a logical rather than a physical system element. Software has characteristics that differ considerably from those of hardware. So software is developed to engineered. It is not manufactured in the classical senses. So software doesn't wear out. Most software is custom built rather than being assembled from the existing components. So changing the nature of the software means what kind of nature can be changed from software to software. So first one is the system software. So system software is nothing but the collection of the program written to the service other program at the system level. Okay, for example, compiler, operating system, these are nothing but the system software. After that, real-time software, so program which is used to monitor, analyze, control the real-world events as they occur, so those softwares are known as the real-time softwares. After that, business software, so the program which accesses, analyze and process the business informations. So those softwares are called as business softwares, just like financial softwares. After that, engineering and scientific softwares. So the software using number crunching and the number crunching algorithm for science and the applications, system simulations and the customer edit designs are known as the engineering and scientific softwares. After that, embedded software. So the embedded software resides only read-only memory and is used to control the product and the system for the customer and the industrial markets. It has very limited and the historic functions and the control capacity. After that, artificial intelligence software, so program which is made to use of the AI techniques and methods to solve the complex problems, active areas and the expert systems and the pattern recognition games are known as artificial intelligence software. And internet software, so the programs which that supports the internet accesses and applications like search engine, browser, e-commerce softwares and the authorizing softwares tools. So those are known as the internet softwares. Okay, after that we understood about what is software. Now we'll go for the software engineering. What is software engineering? So it is nothing but a systematic approach to analyze, design, implementation and the maintenance of the software. So free online dictionary is of the computing is nothing but the software engineering. So the systematic application of tools and techniques in the development of the computer based applications. So software engineering is about to designing and developing the high quality softwares which gives us the applications about the software. So it is nothing but the software engineering. So overall, what is software engineering? So for engineering, it stands for the applications of the science to the solution of the practical programs, and the software engineering is nothing but the application of the CS to building the practical software system, like programming, just like individual writes complete program, one person, one computer, well defined problems and the programming in the small. So this is nothing but the programming if we do it at the low level. And if we go for the software engineering, so individual writes the program components and the team assemble the components program, and programming level is at the large. Okay, so it is nothing but the programming but at the large level. Okay, so if we see the layers of the software engineering, so there are tools, methods, process models and the quality focus. So these all come together to make a software engineering product. Now what is software engineering? So software methods. If we talk about the methods, so software engineering methods provides the technical how to build a software. Okay, how to build a software. So for that method, how to encompass a broad array of tasks. So it is having analysis requirement gathering. So and after that design, coding, testing and the maintenance are main components of the software engineering. So software engineering methods rely on the set of the basic principles. So for that software processes are there. They work on the different types of processes. So software processes like software engineering processes is that hold technology together. It enables the rational and the timely development of the computer software. Software engineering process is nothing but a set of framework, means a framework of a set of keys, process areas. It forms a basis for project management, budget and the schedule control, application and the technical methods and the product quality control. So software engineering, if we talk about in terms of the software tools, so software tools are nothing but the programs provide automated or the semi-automated supports for the process and the method. Programs support engineers to perform their task in the systematic and the automatic manners. So software, the main objective for the software engineering is to identify the new problems and the solutions for that in the software productions, and study new systematic methods, principle, approaches for the system analysis, design, implementation, testing and maintenance. So it provides a new way to control, manage, monitor in the software processes. So build new software tools and the environment to support the software engineering. So next, why software engineering? Means what is the reason why we are using software engineering, and what are the major goals of the software engineering? So major goals for software engineering are to increase the software productivity and the quality, to effectively control software schedule and the planning, to reduce the cost of the software development, to meet the customers need and requirement, to enhance the conditions of the software engineering process, to improve the current software engineering practice, to support the engineers activity in the systematic and the efficient manner. Thank you.